Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Yesterday on my channel, one of my subscribers wanted to know what nutrient that I was using, and this is the stuff right here. Just want to make sure I'm on camera here, and there we go. I want to make sure you can see it properly. This here, AeroGarden, and it is made by Miracle Grow, and I've had very good experiences with Miracle Grow, just growing, general plants outside, so I thought I would take a little chance on this one. So this is the stuff that I've been using for all of my hydroponics this year. On the front label we have here 2 ml per gallon for weekly watering. So 2 ml per gallon, well 2 ml is about half a teaspoon and a gallon is 3.78 liters. So this little bottle here is going to last a very long time. And I've had very good success with this, running all of my hydroponics. So just a really fast video. I just wanted to show everybody what I'm using. And I bought this on Amazon. Amazon Canada, $39.99. Down in the States, I'm sure it's half this price. So pretty inexpensive. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.